Separating by petal length. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So in today's video, we're going to kind of outline what we're going to be doing the rest of this week. So there are four, and my mouse is almost dead, 4 measurements. And we're going to be looking at the way that we're able to divide these out and find a physical measurement, and we're going to use the tools that we have without any visualization. So I'll say it like this. So we began this journey by looking at the iris data when we plotted it, and we saw, oh, look, they separate. Well, what I want to challenge you with, and what I want to give you a couple days to look at, is there's a way that we can take, and here's a little bit of a hint, is that we can take the length of this, and there's a clear boundary between the two. So we're beginning to build a model. So we looked at the classifier visually. Now we need to figure out a way to build a classifier naturally or dynamically with some code and the information and the knowledge that we have. So this is kind of like your little hint right here, but I want you to spend some time looking at it, trying to figure it out. I just copied and pasted everything, but there's a step here where we need to figure out what technique we would use to dynamically divide and separate the 3 types of flowers. Yeah, there's 3 types of flowers. Oh, and I was looking back at last video. I inadvertently included all 3 types, so we don't actually have to add that, so we're actually able to be a video or 2 ahead. So kind of a thinking exercise video today. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. We're really going to start. These are going to be some pretty short videos because these topics are going to become very, very complicated. Not complicated. Just you're going to need to be thinking more about it, and it's going to be very hyper-focused on a single topic. So I really don't want to merge these all together. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Jump over to the Discord server. We have a lot of great conversations going on over there. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.